We're gonna do a cold start Ford Explorer video. I can't
roll it back up.
That window is quit. You're gonna break it. It's frozen.
It's been a Ford.
Anyway, so here we go. As you can see, it's cold.
You gotta let it preheat. We're gonna do an even colder GMC cold start.
It's gonna be just as cold.
No, it's even colder.
It's just right down there.
Yeah, but it's even colder than it was yesterday.
It's in the sunlight.
I'm telling you, it's colder.
Warmer than this thing was.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Check oil, check oil, check oil.